Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by creating the actual form in Google Drive so you can collect structured data right away. Open new right arrow Google Forms, name the form, and add a clear description so respondents know expectations. Add your first fields: short answer for names, multiple choice for choices, and checkboxes for multi-select. Once done, toggle collect email addresses when you need ID and limit to one response if you require unique submissions. This prevents duplicates and prepares your sheet for clean Excel. Now you refine how data will arrive in Excel by designing disciplined questions. Use data validation to enforce formats like numbers or emails and mark critical fields required so responses aren't incomplete. If your form needs branching, add sections and use go to section based on answer to route respondents. This keeps your dataset consistent. Preview and submit 3 to 5 test responses to confirm question labels, option order, and that date and number fields come through as expected before connecting to a spreadsheet. Finish by sending your collected responses into Excel for analysis. In the Form Responses tab, click the Google Sheets icon to create or link a spreadsheet, then download as XLSX for offline use. When working in Excel, immediately clean data. Trim whitespace, set columns to proper types, remove duplicates, and freeze the header row for navigation. If something goes wrong, missing rows or formatting, refresh the sheet, re-export, or use Excel Power Query or Google Sheets import range to maintain a reliable live connection and troubleshoot syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.